Hello, let's make the CR celebration animation in Scratch. Now let's select our player sprite. So we are going to select the Ben sprite here, and let's place him here. And now let's again select the soccer ball as OCC soccer ball, and we drag the soccer ball to the penalty spot here. Okay, now let's start coding from the bin. So when we press the green flag, wherever the bin is, our bin is going to be in this spot when it's time for kicking the ball. So go to here, yeah. So go to xy minus x minus 177 and y minus 92. So if he is here and we are going to start the animation, it needs to be here. Again, let's see the costume of the Ben. So he has a Ben A costume, and there's a Ben B costume, the Ben C and Ben D. So when he is kicking, he need to be in the at the starting of the kicking. So we would like to switch to this costume, Ben D costume. So it's the position of the Ronaldo. Switch to Ben D, yeah. So whenever he is here, so he will be here. Now after that, what do is we just wait for 1 second before he runs for shooting, yeah. And after that we will switch the costume to another costume, which will be this one. So this is the running costume. So it looks like running, or he's trying to shoot. So we will switch to Ben A after 1 second. So let's see. Okay, he's trying to shoot now. So we are going to make him glide near the ball. So let's drag him near the ball here. So that's the position, and we'll just make him glide like here, yeah. So the position is already set. So wherever this person is going to come back and go to shoot the ball after 1 second. After that, he needs to shoot the ball. For shooting the ball, we are going to change the costume to Ben B costume, so it looks like shooting, yeah. For that, let's just switch the costume to Ben B. Okay, let's try. Yeah, he's shooting the ball now. After he shoots the ball, we are going to broadcast a message for the ball, so the message will be ball hit. Now let's go to the soccer ball. So for the soccer ball also, let's do some initial code. So wherever the ball is, so it needs to come to the position of the penalty spot here. So for that, let's just use go to xy here. So wherever the ball will be, it will come to the position. And now after this, so when the broadcast, when I receive the ball hit, so when we receive this broadcast ball hit, then we are going to give some of the animation to our ball. So first of all, let's just use the repeat block for how many times? 17 times. So what are we going to do is we are going to change the Y position of the ball. So for that, we are going to change Y by 10. So first of all, let's try a little bit of the code. So it goes up, yeah. So it also, we are going to give some horizontal position as well. We are going to change the horizontal position of the ball as well. For that, we are going to change Y by 5 as well. So let's try. Okay, now ball goes up also, and a little bit on the right side also, near the corner. So it looks like a little bit faster, very fast kick. Yeah, ball goes very fast. So let's add a little bit of a weight block, 0.05 seconds, so that we'll be watching a slower animation of the ball. Yeah, and after that let's just rotate the ball as well. Right now it's not, the ball is not rotating and it does not seem like it's kicking. Yeah, so let's try to rotate the ball so that to make it more real. So turn, let's turn 20 degrees, it's time. Yeah, so ball's rotating as well, so it looks more real. So to make it more real now, let's just change the size of the ball as well. Every time it goes up, for that we go to the looks and we just change the size of the ball. So we'll change it to -3, so it will be decreasing, the size goes on decreasing. So let's try. So the ball is decreasing, the ball size is decreasing. So if I press the green flag again, the ball's size has been decreased to very small point. So for that, to prevent that, we will make the size of the ball to 100% when we click the green flag again, like this. So now the ball has hit the post. Now we are going to make it drop a little bit down. So I will just use another repeat block for 8 times. It will repeat up to 8 times. Now it needs to go down. For going down, we change the y by -10. Okay, so let's try. Now the ball goes down. It's very fast because we haven't used the weight block as well. Also, I would like to change the horizontal position as well by -5. Yeah, so let's see. Okay, it's going down. Yeah, and we are going to use turning effect also. So let's turn 20 degrees and also use the weight block. So we also wait for 0.05 seconds so that it looks more real and in slow motion. Yeah, okay, now the ball is hit and the ball is goal. So after that, what do we do is we broadcast another event. That's about broadcast a new message, and it's time for CRE celebration. Yeah, so the ball's code is done, and let's go for the Ben. So now it's time for the Ben to celebrate. So for that, when I receive the celebration event, so what are we going to do is let's go to the costume. So first of all, we are going to celebrate by turning or in this position, the CR7 position, with the hands straight. For that, let's switch the costume to, I think it's costume C. Yeah, pen costume C. So let's see. The ball is hit and the goal, and he's trying to celebrate. So after this, we will wait for about 0.5 seconds. Yeah, and after 0.5 seconds, we need to make our own costume because there is no another costume. So let's just duplicate this costume. So Ben C2, the costume name is Ben C2, and I'm going to make him turn around. So first of all, let's delete this mouth, and I will use a color picker and start making his, so this is his back part of here, back here, and also right here 7. After that he's jumping on the air, so that's why his hand should be like this. Yeah. And this hand also like this, and I will just adjust the leg here a little bit. Okay, so at this position he will be jumping. So this costume is Ben C2, so we will switch the costume to Ben C2. So let's try our code. So the ball is hit and it's goal, and it's time to celebrate. So now after that we are going to jump up. Yeah, so for that we will use the repeat block, and yeah, let's repeat 10 times, and the Ben is going to jump by changing Y position by 10, and also let's add a little bit of a weight block, 0.05 seconds. So let's try. The ball is hit and Ben has jumped. So after that Ben is in the sky, we need to drop in back to the ground as well. For that we change the Y by -10 as well. So let's see. Goal. Ben goes up and down. After that we need another costume in the ground, so let's let me just duplicate this costume as well. So it's a Ben C3 costume, and for this the hands going to be downward now like this. Yeah. Okay, and this hand also going to be downward. And let me adjust the leg a little bit. Now his leg will be touching the ground. Okay, perfect. So this is his the last position, Ben C3. So let's switch the costume to Ben C3 the last time. So let's try our code again. So the runs shoots the ball and the celebration Suiii. So that's it. So let's try once again. Is it good or not? Suiii. So thank you everyone for watching, and if you like it, just subscribe it and hit the like button as well. Thank you.